Hi and welcome for a new pronunciation video. Today we will learn how to pronounce the name of this delicious French bread made with egg and generous butter content, with a rich and tender crumb. It's not really a bread or a croissant, so how to pronounce it? We will say brioche, brioche. I repeat, brioche, brioche. So, if you cannot say the R like the French do, you can also say brioche. It's not perfect, but it's already good. Because French will always appreciate your effort when you speak. For the little story, the first brioche appeared in the 14th century in Normandy. It's the region in France where we do delicious butter. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to this channel, and you can also watch more videos on how to pronounce viennoiserie name and bread in French.